Hey everyone, you're welcome once more to NETH. If you're new to this channel, you're highly welcome, alright? Do well to hit the subscribe button and ensure that you share the link of the channel to some students out there that needs to work on his or her maths or physics skills, alright? So we are going to look at a simple problem on the board here on statistics. The question says we should calculate what the standard deviation of the following data. Okay, the data we have it in what mass? We have 43 kilogram, 39 kilogram, 42 kilogram, and 40 what kilogram. So our solution to this problem is, okay, we can form a table. Remember, we're finding the standard what deviation. Okay, we can tabulate it, but this time I'm just simply going to show the formula. Our standard deviation is equals to what? The square root of what? Our variance, which is also the square root of what? We have the summation of what? The individual numbers x minus what? The mean, the value, all squared divided by what? N, which is what? Our what? Frequency. So let's, use this formula step by step, okay, to solve for what? Our standard deviation. Remember, standard deviation has to do with what? Measure of what? Dispersion. Since you can observe that you know, there is a difference when it comes to what, the difference between, the numbers you have and the mean value, okay? So whenever we say measure of dispersion, you always observe there will be some difference or subtraction, okay, in the formula. So we have range, we have a standard deviation, we have variance and mean deviation. All this belongs to what? The measures of what? Dispersion. All right, so the first thing is we want to look for the mean. So the mean of this sets of distribution is going to be, we are going to add up all this. So we have 43 kg plus 39 kg plus 42 kg plus 40 kg. So all these we are going to divide by what? We have 1, 2, 3, 4. So we have 4, okay, which has to do with the frequency. So let's add up all this and see what we are going to get. So we are going to simply add. Now we have 43 plus what? 39. What do we have? So 43 plus 39. This is 12, so we have 1 out there. Okay, so we have 1 plus 4 is 5. 5 plus this is what? 8. So we have this plus this is what? 82 kg plus. Now what about 42 kg plus 40 kg? Now it's going to give us, okay, 4 plus 4 is 8 and 2 plus 0 is 2. So we have 82 kg. So we have 82 kg plus 82 kg divided by what? 4. So what is 82 kg plus 82 kg? We have 2 plus 2 is what? 4. And 8 plus 8 is what? 16. So we have 164 kg divided by what? 4. And so what would that give us? 4 can simply go into 16, which is what? 4. And 4 into 4 is 1. So we have 41 kg. All right. So we have been able to solve for the what? The mean. All right. Now the next step is to remember our mean is what? 41 kg. Now the next step is we are going to solve for what? The differences or the deviation. All right. The dispersion. So we have it as, now we're going to solve. We have x minus what? Mean for all the what? The data. So all we are going to do is, the first one, x here is what? 43. So we have 43 minus what? We have a 41. So kg. The next one is 39 minus 41 kg. And the next one is 42 minus 41 kg. And the last one is what? 40 minus 41 kg. So that is working on what? Difference, which is this minus this. Now let's see what that gives us. 43 minus 41 is going to give us what? 2 kg. 39 minus 41 is going to give us minus what? 2 kg. 42 minus 41 is 1, so we have 1 kg. And 40 minus 41 kg is going to give us what? We have minus 1 kg. Okay? So those are the differences, okay, or the deviation from what the mean value which we have calculated as what? 41 kg. Now the next thing is we want to what? Square each of them, all right? So we are going to square this, we are going to square this, we are going to square this, and we are going to square this, okay? So let's see what that gives us, okay? So squaring each of them, all right, we are going to have, remember, now we are solving for what? This was squared, okay? So the first one, 2 kg squared is going to give us what? 4 kg squared. Minus 2 kg squared is also going to give us 4 kg what squared. 1 kg squared is also going to give us what? 1 kg squared. And minus 1 kg squared is also going to give us 1 kg squared. Okay? Now that we have done the step of squaring them, now we have the symbol which has to do with what? Sigma or summation. So we are going to sum all this, okay? So let's sum all of them. So we have sigma, okay, which is the next thing we want to solve. So sigma this means we have to add all this. So we have 4 kg plus what? 4 kg squared, okay, plus 1 kg squared, and plus what? 1 kg squared. Okay, so we are summing 1, 2, 3, 4, which we have as this. All right, so let's sum them up. So 4 kg squared plus 4 kg squared is going to give us 8 kg squared, plus 1 kg squared plus 1 kg squared is going to give us what? 2 kg squared. So 8 kg squared plus what? 2 kg squared is going to give us what? 10 kg squared. Alright, so now having gotten this, the next we want to solve out for is what? We want to solve for all these divided by what? N. Okay? Remember, all this is equivalent to what? 10 kg squared. Alright, so let's bring it up. So we have our summation of all this gave us 10 kg squared divided. Now, what's the value of what our N? 1, 2, 3, 4. So we have to put 4. Okay? The value of our N is the frequency. All right? So we have 4 there. Now, this is going to give us what? We can reduce this. 2 into this is 2. 2 into 10 is what? 5. So we have 5 over what? 2 kg squared, which we can write as 2 and half kg squared. Okay, half means 0.5, so we can write 2.5 what? Kg or the squared. Now, having gotten to this point, okay, now remember, we need to still solve for what? When we have the square root, okay? Now remember, all these gave us what? We have 2.5 kg squared, all right? So let's solve, okay, when we have the root. So all we need to do is we have our standard deviation, which is equal to the square root of all this. So we have this, okay, which is also the square root of the variance, okay? So this is our variance. So we have square root of what? 2.5 what? Kg squared. Okay, so that will give us what? Now the square root of 2.5 kg. Now the square root of kg is still what? Kg. And the square root of 2.5 should give you about 1.581. All right, so having gotten this, we can now what? we can keep it approximately 1.6 kg. Okay, since this is above 5, we add 1 to this, so we have 1.6 kg. So that gives us the answer to this problem. Okay, thank you guys for watching the video. Hit the like button, do well to share this video to someone. I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.